Hello everyone and welcome to another AI tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to upload Excel files in Claude and how to use this Excel file to give prompts and analyze all the data. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. First and foremost, if you want to have a smooth ride with your prompts when it comes to uploading files, you need to upload CSV, delimited files, which means here we have a file which is an Excel workbook. We are not going to use this file. We're going to come to this file. We're going to click. We are going to say that we want to save as. We are going to browse basically here, and we are going to say we want to save this file as CSV UTF-8, delimited file. So we're going to save here. We already have this file, so we're going to replace it. And now we are ready to upload it to Claude. So we are going to go back to Claude. We're going to press the plus symbol. We're going to say, let's upload the file. And we are going to select the CSV file. So we're going to upload it. And now we can start prompting. Now, a couple of notes. If you want, again, to have a smooth ride when it comes to analyzing CSV Excel files in Claude, you need to make sure not only that you save the file CSV, but also everything is clean and clear. And also you need to reference the columns of your file. So in this file, we have a column called revenue, another one called month, another one called sales. So I can start with something simple. I can say here to the system, give me the total revenue, right? And then the system will actually scan the file, and then it will give me the total revenue. It will sum up basically the values in my file, and it will basically give me the number. Now, if we are to do something a little bit more impressive and a little bit more serious when this prompt actually is over, we're going to attempt to create a chart. So let's say we want to plot a chart and we want to have revenue and sales by month. So I'm going to say here to the system, give me a chart including revenue and sales by month. And I'm going to give a little bit of details. I'm going to say revenue should be, let's say, a column. Sales should be a line. And then the sales we're going to measure on the right axis. And then here we're going to give the prompt, and the system again will pick up the data from my CSV file, and it will just deliver what I asked, right? So Claude is very efficient. Other AI tools are also very efficient in creating visualizations. And with this logic, as long as you have a clean and clear CSV file, and as long as you refer to the columns that can be found in this file, and you upload everything, you can give your prompts, you can create literally everything. So now the system is doing the work behind the scenes. It looks quite impressive, but it's actually very simple what we asked it to do. And eventually, when all the background thing actually ends, here we go, we have the revenue and sales by month chart. That's it. That's how easy it is to upload an Excel file, a CSV file in Claude. And then from there, you can give your prompts. You can do anything you like with this data. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.